Fantastic. Hey, great fucking titties, man. Let me just say that right now. How many of you want to see those titties right now? Which ones, dude? The girl with the titties that are almost out. You just stand.
Oh my God.
You can't just stand there in the fucking front row. Oh
Yes.
shit! Goddamn, I love fucking titties, dude.
I'm such a bitch, dude. I do. It's not weird. How many guys like boobies? Raise your fucking hand.
It's so cool.
It's a part of life, dude. When you're born, you suck on them, and when you're older, you still suck on them.
You know, I bet when you fucking look at titties like that, you wish you could still get a boner, Michael.
Yeah. Well, you know what? That's what the shock is for sometimes, Chancellor.
That's right. And you can use one of my blue pills too, Mike.
Sometimes you can do a certain dirty Sanchez. Anybody know what a dirty Sanchez is?
No. Explain it. Explain what a dirty Sanchez. Tell us about it.
Oh, it's easy, dude. When you're fucking a girl in the ass, you pull out. If you have some poop on your dick, you just wipe it off and put it on her. It's called a dirty Sanchez. If that grosses you out and you're disgusted by the show, time to go get another fucking shot, okay? Oh yeah, that's cool, dude. You know what? I want to tell you just something really quick that Satchel wanted me to talk about backstage. Back in
Like or no?
that was 1985. I met Vince Neil from Motley Crue.
I remember because you had just turned 40, remember?
Yeah, it was my 40th birthday. He got me the tickets to the show. We went backstage. We met Mick Mars and Vince Neil at the same time. And you remember what happened?
I totally do.
He fucking
Finish the story, Michael. I don't know what happened. Your mic broke. You gotta fix your mic, Mike. Your mic broke. Your mic's broken, asshole. Check it again. It's a chair.
there it is. Can you hear it now?
Check your fucking mic.
I'll never forget it. It was like the first day, first thing.
God damn it, your fucking stupid mic broke.
Check the battery.
God damn it. Hold on a second. Go fix your fucking microphone right fucking now, or I'm gonna fire your stupid ass. Okay? And this band is gonna become a three-piece Rush tribute band. We'll have to get a new bass player because he's not that good, so. I apologize for that. Listen, I've told him 1,000 times, you can't just grab some random girl out of the front row and stick the microphone in her vagina right before the show. Because the vagina juice goes into the batteries. Before you know it, your fucking microphone's cutting out. Now we're standing up here looking like two fucking bitchin' rockers and a transvestite. I mean, the only thing I can think to do is maybe I should do my fucking world-class impersonation of the greatest guitar player ever to ever die in a plane crash besides Steve. Besides that one. Mr. Randy fucking Rhodes. Check this shit out.